You got a phone. It's your gateway to endless possibilities. You got an internet connection. That's your ticket to the global stage. You're in the game, my friend. The world is now at your fingertips. Global entrepreneurship ain't some exclusive club anymore. It's a wide-open arena where anyone can play. And guess what? You're invited. No special credentials needed. Forget the fancy degrees and boardroom meetings. They don't define success. Real learning happens on the front lines. It's about experience, not just theory. You gotta hustle, you gotta grind, you gotta get your hands dirty. That's the real deal. That's how you figure out what works and what doesn't. It's about spotting opportunities where others see walls. It's about vision. It's about connecting with people from all walks of life, building a network, different cultures, different languages, different dreams. It's a beautiful chaos that fuels innovation. So step into the arena, don't hold back. The world is your oyster, full of untapped potential. Crack it open and let's get to work. The future is yours to shape. Listen up, I've been there. Started small, hustled like crazy. Now my business has spanned the globe, and let me tell you, nothing beats real-world experience. Take Sarah, started her fashion brand from her basement. Now she's dressing celebrities in Milan. Her secret? She lived and breathed her customers, learned their needs, spoke their language. Or John, the software developer who took his app international. He didn't just translate the words, he translated the experience, adapted to local markets, built trust. These ain't overnight successes. They put in the work, embraced the grind, they failed, learned, and came back stronger. That's the real school of entrepreneurship. Big companies, big brands, they seem untouchable, right? Wrong. The landscape of business is changing rapidly. In the global marketplace, agility trumps size. Every single time. It's not about how big you are, but how quickly you can adapt. You're a speedboat. They're a cruise ship. You have the advantage of speed and flexibility. You can turn on a dime, adapt to the changing tides. They struggle to change course. They're slow, bureaucratic, stuck in their ways. Think Airbnb. They saw an opportunity and seized it. They took on the hotel industry and flipped it on its head. No more traditional boundaries, no fancy buildings, just a platform connecting people. Global reach, local touch, or Spotify, another game changer. They disrupted the music industry by understanding how people really listen. Global library, personalized experience. They redefined the rules. David versus Goliath, and guess who wins? The nimble, the quick, the innovative. The entrepreneurs, the innovators, the ones who aren't afraid to challenge the status quo. They are the future. Section 4, Tools of the Trade, Navigating the Global Marketplace. Alright, you got the hustle, you got the vision, you're ready to take on the world. Now you need the tools. The right tools can make all the difference. Luckily, we're living in the golden age of entrepreneurship. Opportunities are endless. Social media, your global megaphone. It's your voice to the world. Reach millions with a single post. Engage with a global audience instantly. Build your brand, connect with customers, all at your fingertips. It's never been easier. E-commerce platforms, your virtual storefront. Open for business 24/7. Sell your products to the world 24/7. No borders, no limits. The world is your market. Payment gateways. Accepting payments from Tokyo to Toronto has never been easier. Seamless transactions, secure, reliable, and accessible to everyone. Trust is key. These tools empower you to compete on a global scale, no matter your size or location. So leverage them, master them, need the tools. The right tools can make all the difference. Luckily, we're living in the golden age of entrepreneurship. Opportunities are endless. Social media, your global megaphone, it's your voice to the world. Reach millions with a single post. Engage with a global audience instantly. Build your brand, connect with customers, all at your fingertips. It's never been easier. E-commerce platforms, your virtual storefront. Open for business 24/7. Sell your products to the world 24/7. No borders, no limits. The world is your market. Payment gateways, accepting payments from Tokyo to Toronto has never been easier. Seamless transactions, secure, reliable, and accessible to everyone. Trust is key. These tools empower you to compete on a global scale no matter your size or location, so leverage them, master them. They are your competitive edge. Use them to build your empire. The world is waiting for you. Section 5, Tech, the Great Equalizer. Remember when you needed $1 million to even think about going global? Those days are over. Technology is the great equalizer. Got a great product? Build an online store? Boom, global reach, got a service people need, market it on social media. Boom, international clients, language barriers, no problem. Translation apps and services are getting smarter by the day. Connect with anyone, anywhere. The playing field has never been more level. You have the same tools and resources as the big guys. What sets you apart? Your hustle, your creativity, your vision. Section 6. The future is global. Your move. The world is shrinking, borders are blurring, we're all becoming global citizens, and that's creating unprecedented opportunities for entrepreneurs. The future belongs to those who embrace this change, those who are willing to learn, adapt, and connect with people from all corners of the globe. It's about more than just making money. It's about building bridges, fostering understanding, and creating a more interconnected world. So, what are you waiting for? The future is global. Your move.